In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staging site on Siteground in just 5 minutes. Creating a staging site is an essential step for website developers and bloggers alike. It allows you to test changes and updates before going live, ensuring that everything works smoothly without affecting your main site. So let's get started on this straightforward and speedy process. First, we need to access Siteground's website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Siteground, which is known for its reliable web hosting services. Once you are on the main page, you'll spot the login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Logging in is always the first step, as you'll need access to your account to move forward. Now that you're logged in, you should be redirected to your Siteground account dashboard. This dashboard is your control center where you'll manage all your site operations. Here, locate the section labeled My Siteground Account. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you access to a summary of your websites hosted on Siteground. Next, we're going to proceed to Site Tools, which is where the magic happens. Find the Site Tools option for the website you want to work with and click on it. Now you'll see a wide range of options available to manage your site. To create a staging environment, we'll focus on the WordPress settings since our aim is to create a staging site for one of our WordPress installations. On the left sidebar of your Site Tools, click on the WordPress menu. This section is specifically designed for managing all aspects of your WordPress sites, from installations to advanced settings. Under the WordPress menu, you'll notice the Staging option. Select it to move to the next step. Now within the Staging section, you'll have the opportunity to create a new staging site. Siteground makes this process incredibly user-friendly, essentially duplicating your existing site to a separate, isolated environment. This way, any changes you make won't impact your live site until you're ready. After selecting staging, Siteground will guide you through the setup process. Follow the prompts to create your staging site. Depending on your site's size, this may take a few moments. Once completed, you'll have a fully functional staging site, allowing you to test plugins, themes, updates, and other changes safely. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully created a staging site on Siteground. This essential tool helps ensure that all updates and modifications run smoothly and efficiently without any interruptions to your main site. Thanks for watching, and make sure to test thoroughly before implementing any changes on your live website. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.